Hello children, welcome to maths class. Let us learn in this video exercise 2.5 question number B11. We will learn how to factorize the polynomial. In previous video you have learned up to question number 10. Let us continue here. Question is factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. So we have this polynomial and we have to factorize. So I hope you may be able to remind yourself that how to factorize the polynomial. First of all, we need to keep all those identity in our mind, and then we have to match that identity with the polynomial. When we look at this 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz, which identity comes to our mind? That comes a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, and this is equal to, then we see the three terms have cube and then minus 3abc form. Of course, here we will not get always minus 3xyz or 3abc, but in that form it looks. What is this equal to? This is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. And then what do we mean by this? ABC or xyz, the first term, second term and third term. We should not set our mind with a or b or c or xyz. We need to set our mind that first term has got cube, second term also has got cube, and third cube, term also. So whatever may be a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, that means it is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. And we will now find what can be this a and b and also c. Here when we look at the first term 27x cube, clearly comes to our mind that 27 is the perfect cube number. Perfect cube of what? 27. We will be orally able to do it, but still 3 into 3 into 3, that means 27 is equal to 3 cube. So we have got, we start the solution. 27x cube we can write 3x whole cube. 3 cube 27 and x cube is x cube. So first term a is 3x. What may be the second term? We will look at the second term, that is y cube. Y cube is clearly we can do y cube. Z cube is also the same way, plus z cube. So we have got a b c, or first term, second term, third term. Next, what is there in identity? Minus 3abc. So that 3 will be there because that is in identity, and then into a, that means 3 into first term into second term into third term. So first term is 3x, second term is y, this is x, 3x, second term is y, and the third term is z. And once we verify 3x cube 27 x cube y cube plus z cube minus 3 3s are 9 x y z. So we have clearly arranged this identity on a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. And then next, what it is equal to? It is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc into minus ca. Let us arrange it now on that. So a, our first term is here in this identity 3x plus b plus c, 3x plus y plus z, and then a square. A is what? 3x, 3x square plus b is y square plus c is z square minus ab minus bc minus ca. That means first term into second term, second term into third term, and third term into first term. Now we will wipe this and try to write this from our mind itself what we know. Minus ab 3x into y minus bc y into z minus ca z into x. X is the first term, that is 3x, and we have arranged exactly on that identity a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus ca. Next, Just simplify it, what we are going to get? 3x plus y plus z. We can't do anything, all three are unlike terms. Then next here, 3 square 9 and x square plus y square will remain y square, z square also will remain, plus it is z square minus 3 into xy 3xy minus y into z yz minus 3 into zx 3zx. Reaching at this step, what we find? All the terms here, these three are unlike. Here also these all the terms are unlike term, and they are with plus and minus sign. So when the algebraic terms which are unlike with plus or minus sign, we can't do anything. So we leave this here itself. This is the solution of this question. Hope you have learnt it well. Please do watch the video, learn it, and please share among your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe.